Okay, so this can be a demo for our website. So first thing is obviously you got to download everything, all the files and everything from GitHub. Once you do that, you just run the backend and front end. Uh, I'm gonna run the backend first. Sorry, npm run dev. As it's running, run the front end now. Okay, a link pops up, so just open the link. All right, so this is our homepage. Um, there's login, sign up buttons, making appointment buttons, basic information, FAQ button. So you can click on that. Like you can go to FAQ page, back home, all that stuff. So first thing I'm gonna go over is our sign up and registration feature. So when you click sign up, it first takes you to the patient sign up. But if you want to sign up as a staff, you just click that patient, whatever you want. So let's do patient first. So I'm just gonna put our email, like an actual email from Google. Uh, yeah. So when you sign up, you should get an email sent. Yep, welcome emails get sent to you because you made an account with us. I'm also gonna make one more account so I can demo more stuff later on. So let me do that real quick. Okay, that's good. Now you can also we have another feature where you can, if you forget your password, you're gonna have to reset it, right? So just click here. Make sure we only create a patient account, so you can do it for staff or patient. Uh, I'm gonna just do it for the patient because we created a patient account just right now. So use the same email. Uh, you get sent a code. Yep. So 95365. The code is always random, so it's not gonna be the same. So if you put like any other number, it should reject it. Alright. So just make sure you type in the right one. Change your password, whatever you like. Yeah, this has changed successfully. Once you click OK, you get sent back to the login. Uh, I'm gonna show. I'm gonna sign up as a staff now. So let me sign up. Diverse. Same way I did patient, but this time I'm on the staff sign up. Um, Similarly, you should get sent an email to the staff email too. Yeah, this is welcome and all that, which is working fine. I'm gonna create another staff account for more demos later. Just a random one. Register successfully. And we also have admin. Um, we have three roles, so it's patient, staff, and admin. This is the admin sign up. Admin sign up is a little bit different. Just put your name and an email. So I'm gonna use the example email. When you sign up, um, you get a pass key, a private key that you need to have it saved somewhere because you will not be able to access this again. It's a one-time thing, so you can't do forget password or anything. It's more secure. So you gotta have it written down somewhere or like in a notepad. So yeah, now that we're signed up as okay, so let's go to the database. So there should be two patient accounts. Yes, divers, and so you have two staff accounts. hmm and one admin. So they all registered now. Now we're gonna do a login. We're gonna log in to the patient dashboard. So just put the information, your email and password that you created. When you do that, you get directed to the patient dashboard. This is the patient dashboard welcome page, some basic information. Yeah, they're on the left. You have different tabs. So this is the appointment tab where you'd book an appointment. This is the payments tab where you get to see the payments that are due for you. This is the profile page where where like there's already pre-filled information like your name, email, and stuff, but you have the option to add an address. So let me just do that. Your gender, your age, your phone number, and medical history. For now, I'm just gonna put random stuff. Save it. Okay, that's the dashboard for patient. Now let me go to the staff dashboard. Let me log in. This is the staff dashboard. This is the welcome page. Basic information again. On the left, you have your schedule um, tab, your pending appointment tab, login hours page where you get to clock in and clock out or manually add hours, and calculate payroll where you see your yearly income and your periodic income basically. Also, there's a patient history page where if you click on it, you'll get you have access to the patient information. Like if you click on this one, look, mail, the address that I included, and also the random medical history that I put. You get to see that. And there's two um, patient accounts. This one we didn't touch anything in the profile, so look, it's just NA and no medical history for now. Yeah, that's how that works. Okay, let me log out. Let's go to the admin dashboard now. So, admin account. This is the admin dashboard. Some basic information in the welcome page. Staff performance tab, where you see performance of your staffs that have signed up, your payments for the staff. Right now it's $0 because they haven't clocked in. There's two staffs, right? But they haven't clocked in and put their hours in, so it's not made any money. And transaction log, where you see patient transactions, like the appointment fees that they paid to the staff. There's nothing yet because we haven't done that yet. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to the patient, log out of this. So login as patient again. This time we're gonna do the appointment feature in the patient dashboard. So go to the appointment. Alright, so this is our appointment page. Here you have the option to book appointments, select a date, a time that's best suited for you, confirm. Right as you confirm, you should receive an email. There you go. It says your appointment has been scheduled, but it needs to be confirmed by our staff. So it's still a pending status. So look, it says pending. You also have the ability to reschedule this appointment. So let's say you want to do 10 a.m., not 9 a.m. You just confirm it, and you should also receive another email saying it's rescheduled. Yes, but it still needs to be confirmed by the staff. Still kind of like a pending status, but it's marked as rescheduled now instead of pending because it did get rescheduled. And you also have the ability to cancel the appointment. So you click cancel, it's gone. You get a cancellation email. Yep, that's working fine. And you have the ability to book appointments again. So okay, let's book one for 12 p.m. and see what happens on the staff side. So yeah, you have a pending appointment. So log out. You also should receive an email saying it's still pending. So log out of the patient side. So log out and sign as staff. Okay, so here there should be nothing on the schedule because you haven't claimed your appointments yet. You still it's going to be in the pending. Yeah, here. So here you see the diverse patient requested an appointment for May 1st, 2025, 12 p.m. So so every staff that have an account will have the ability to claim this. This is like the Uber driver system where the driver gets to like just claim and a request, you know. So it's kind of like the same thing. So if I log out of this staff and go to another staff, the staff that I created, the other example. So let me log in as this staff this time. So yeah, look, even for this staff, it's on the pending appointment. All right, so let me log out, go to the other staff, the first staff. Oh, sorry, this is the patient. My bad. So yeah, let me claim that account. That appointment. I mean, when claimed, it should be gone from the pending because obviously it's been claimed. It should go on the claimed appointment. So you basically this staff's schedule. The staff's name is diverse. Yeah. So the diverse staff. This is their schedule now, May 1st, 2025. So if you go to another staff, the other example staff, it should no more be on the patient pending appointment. I mean, yeah, it's not there anymore, and they have nothing on their schedule. So that's working correctly. Let me go back. Oh yeah, so as soon as the appointment gets confirmed by the staff, the patient receives an email saying their appointment has been confirmed um, because the staff did it, and it's for the day, and they also get sent a reminder for their appointment. So this reminder, it's sending right now, it's sending it like 10 seconds after the appointment is confirmed. However, this is supposed to work so that the reminders get sent 24 hours before the appointment. However, since we're doing a demo, I set it so it does it 10 seconds after you book the appointment. So this is for demonstration. In actuality, it should send it 24 hours before the appointment. So in this case, it'd be April 30th, 12 p.m. basically. That's when the appointment should have been sent. So let me go back. Let me log into the patient now, the one that booked the appointment. So if I go on their appointment now, look, they have an appointment now. Instead of saying like pending or rescheduled, it's marked as confirmed. So that's working correctly. They still have the ability to cancel it, and this would just remove it from the staff's dashboard, basically their schedule. But let's not do that. Let's go back to the staff and complete the appointment instead. So finish it. So yeah, let's do complete. So when it's completed on the database, it gets marked as complete. And on the patient side, let's go back to the patient again. On their appointment, now they have the ability to book appointments again because it's already been completed. It's done. However, now on the payments, they will have a fee, a $75 fee that needs to be paid. So right now, look, the payment is in the pending status. So all the patient has to do is just click pay, put their information, the card number, the expiry date, and the CVV code. Just confirm payment and return back to the dashboard and go back to the payment. It's not pending anymore, it's completed. So that's working correctly as well. Let me book more appointments to show features in the admin side now. We showed everything in the staff and patient, but let's do more appointments and stuff for the admin. So I can't maybe schedule maybe. Oh, 11. I guess mark the reschedule. Go to staff. So there's gonna be another request, right? Yep, this time a reschedule request. The staff can claim it, but this time instead of completing it, I'm gonna cancel it. Okay. So when you cancel, it should give a yep. So even when the staff cancels it, you get an email. Yeah, right here. We to inform you dental appointment has been canceled, and it has been canceled by the staff. So it says who canceled it as well. So that's working right. Now let me go back to the patient account. So since the appointment got canceled, they have the ability to book appointment again. It's not marked as pending or rescheduled. It's been canceled. So and also their payment, there's no new payment because it got canceled, right? That makes sense. So let me book another one. Let's any date. Go back to the staff. Okay. So now that we understand what's going on, yeah. So claim it. Claim it. It should do emails. Confirmed, yes. And also send a reminder in 10 seconds. We have it set to 10 seconds because it's actually supposed to work 24 hours. But yeah, okay. So after 10 seconds, you get a reminder as well. So that's working fine. Now let's go to the login hours. Let's add. Let's go to the clock in page first. So this is our clock in, clock out. You can just click clock in and the timer starts going off. Let's kind of clock out at like 7 or 8 seconds. Yeah, okay. So clock out. That's good. That's how you do it. But you can also manually add hours. Let's say let's say on the 5th, you clocked in at 3:30, 3:40 p.m. Clocked out as 4:40. So it's like a 1 hour shift basically. Yes. So you worked 1 hour and 8 seconds. It says, which is good. Now if you go to the calculate payroll, on that pay period, you worked 1 hour and it shows your take home after tax and also your year to date income. So this is only showing from April 23rd to May 6th. So let me do manual clock in the other pay period, so 7th basically. So on the 7th, let's just do 3 p.m., 3:39 p.m. to whatever this is. So that was a 6 hour shift basically. Okay. So now if I go back, yeah, the year to date income is a lot higher because it shows the total basically of every pay period. So there's now two pay periods, so May 7th to 20th and April 23rd to 6th. This was the first one that we did earlier. Yeah, 1 hour shift. Shows everything right. Here it shows the information about just that pay period, and on the right, the year to date information. So that's fine. If you go back here, on the 7th to 20th, you worked 6 hours. This is how much you made, and this is the total. So that's right. On the schedule, you still have a pending appointment basically. So let's just, this time I'm gonna cancel it again. All right. So that's all the features in the patient dashboard. Um, yeah, here you clock in, clock out, check your payment, check your history, the patient history, I mean, and your schedule. All right. So let me do those appointment things more. Uh, use different account now to test out the full admin side as well. So let me do that real quick. So we log in as a different patient this time, not the one we've been using. The other account that I made, basically. Let's say this patient books an appointment on the 10th, 9 a.m. Good. Pending. Looks fine. Let me log in as a different staff too this time. The other one that I created in the beginning of this video. So on their pending, it should show, yep, see your patient, May 10th, 2002. So claim it. Go to the schedule. I'm gonna cancel it. Okay. Let me do hours for this staff as well. So 21st, the same way I did it earlier. So 2 hour shift there. Clock in for like 10, 20 seconds. So let's say like 15 seconds. So. Okay. Let me add more hours. Another period maybe. Third. 3-hour shift. Okay, so if I go here now, 2 different pay periods again, same as the last one, and yeah, that's working fine too. Okay, so now if I go to the admin, let me sign in now. So yeah, I still need to. Oh, I made an account, right? Yeah, okay. I made an account earlier for admin, so I do that. Put the email and use the key that I got earlier to log into the dashboard. Alright, so here now, when if I click on a staff performance, so there's gonna be two staffs now, diverse staff and Suyok staff, right? Diverse staff, they confirmed 3 appointments. They only completed one, so they only marked complete for one, but they canceled two, so their attendance rate is 33%. So that's how we're tracking the performance of the staff. It's just their attendance rate, which is calculated by dividing the amount they completed over confirmed, basically, you know. And the other staff, they confirmed one, but they canceled. They didn't even like complete any, so they have a 0% attendance rate. Yeah, so that's working right. If you go to staff payment, there's gonna be two staffs again, these two, and their clock in clock out history, basically, kind of. So yeah, the diverse staff, they work 7 hours. This is their yearly salary. That's their taxes that they paid, and this is the next pay, basically the next pay period, how much they have to be paid. And this staff, they worked 5 hours. They made that much and taxes, and yeah, their next pay is got to be this much. So that's good. And on the transaction logs, it should show the transactions done by the patient. So here, look, here there's only one, because we only did one uh, appointment fee payment. So look, it's marked as completed and everything. This also shows on the patient side. So this was diverse patient. Okay, so let me log in to that patient. So on their payment, look, there on their history it shows as well. So same thing gets sent to the admin side. But okay, so let me use a different patient now. Uh, the other example patient, not the main email that I've been using. So let me book an appointment again, some random one. But this time I'm gonna confirm it. So it's a pending. So I'm gonna log out. Uh, Sign up as the other staff again, the example staff, not the main staff that we have. The staff email. So let me go here and on the pending, claim it, and instead of canceling like I did earlier, let me just complete it. So they get charged the appointment fee basically. So let me log out. Let me go back to that patient again. Not this one, sorry, the example patient. Now, yep, the appointment is clear. It's not pending anymore because it's been completed. Now on the payment, it should show it. Yeah. Okay, so it's pending status. I'm gonna leave it as pending, so you can see what if it's pending, what happens on the admin side. So let's go back to the admin again. Staff performance. Now this time it's gonna be better for the Suyuk staff because he actually completed one too. He completed one, he canceled one. Instead of being 0% now, it's 50%. He's doing better than diverse staff now. So if you go to staff, this is unchanged because we didn't really clock out or clock in for that staff. But transaction logs is gonna be different. Yeah, look, so there's a pending, but this time it's a different patient. So this looks over all the patient's transaction history basically. So let me go ahead and uh, pay from that patient basically. So let me go pay Suyo patient. So yeah, let me pay real quick. Good, payment completed. And yeah, Yep, on this patient as well as shows it's completed. So it should be the same for admin side. So let me just check, make sure it's working. So instead of pending, it should be marked as completed now. So let me go back to the logs. Yeah, now it's not pending, it's completed. So every patient has paid their bills basically. Okay, so that's everything we have for our website. This is the admin, like I said. This is the staff, I mean patient. Okay, actually one more thing that, so this page we didn't test out anything for this. Okay, so let me show you something. This is another feature where we can use this page to send reminders to different emails. So suppose you don't want the email to be sent to the email that you use to log in with, and you want to use a different one, you can do that. So let me just book an appointment first. This one should already be, yeah, okay, so pending. Let me go confirm it because it's not confirmed, so obviously you're not going to be able to set a reminder yet. It needs to be confirmed from the staff. So let me go do that. So yeah, let me confirm it. Um, okay, so it's confirmed. If it's completed, then that would make sense. So let me do it when it's confirmed. Go back to that patient appointment. Yeah, it's marked as confirmed. Now, it did automatically send a confirmation to the email that you're logged in with. So let me go back here. Yeah, look. So reminder did get sent at 3:49. So the automatic is working. But let's say you wanna send reminders to different email. You could do that manually by clicking there and adding. I'm gonna use this email. So okay, just put your information, your email. So it's gonna send an email in 10 seconds. I mean, it should be 24 hours before the appointment, but since we're doing demonstrations, okay, now it should be sent. So if I refresh now, yeah. So yeah, you can set reminders to different emails if you want. So that's everything I think. So that's yeah. Still pending confirmation. Mm, Profile. So on the staff, schedule, cancel it. You know, all these information about payroll, the histories of the patient. Yeah, that's all we have so far. Uh, that's our entire website. Thank you.